on this
quality footage.
Sunday the, what is it? What's the date?
28th.
Sunday the 28th of December. This one decides he wants to go for a walk, walk off a Christmas turkey and all that. And it is pretty cold.
Yeah, it's a bit brisk.
More than brisk, yeah, it's windy. What did it say? Feels like 2 degrees.
Like 2, but yeah, I'm going to question that.
I don't fit in any of my walking gear, so I'm making do. Yeah, this one wants to go for a walk and cook some food.
I'm hungry. What in the habit of eating lately?
Lush.
What we got there, Tracy?
I've got the little table.
Nice.
Must have if we're going to have our coffees. We need to have.
Well, we've arrived at our little spot where we like to come every now and again. A bit of cook up, didn't we?
Yep.
So you're always in charge of the table.
It's been a while.
Backup coat.
Backup coat.
Tea bag.
Oh dear.
In the slot. Time for the hat. Oh, yes.
How you doing, Neil?
I'm doing better when I've got a seat and some
Do you want me to do that?
sausages and bacon on the go.
Is it?
It's creeping up on me. It's like if you don't hurry up and get this up and out of the way in a minute, you're going to suffer. Here it comes. Oh. Oh, you bugger. So, hitch up.
Cooking oil. Some rolls. They're frozen. Sausages and bacon. Oh, they smell quite nice. There we go. Sausages and a couple of plates.
It's got ice on it. Generally water and fat.
That's yours, yay! That's Neil's sausage.
Jesus!
Stop swishing fat everywhere. I'm moving away, this is dangerous.
That was like, I'm still seeing the flames. How to cook in the wild?
Not. Just stop swishing the fat everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah, I'd love some coffee. Yeah, quite a lot there.
Bit of a splurge of ketchup.
From the, that's the other roll, by the way.
From the temperamental.
Yeah, which way will the ketchup come out?
Which way's she gonna go?
Oh, please don't go over me. Just...
Oh.
That's alright, that one was okay.
You got the knife.
I mean,
I nearly got disfigured in the making of this.
yeah, you I nearly had to like face plant you into the pond after you'd got serious burn injury, but I've seriously never seen you do something so crazy before, but there we go.
I don't know.
There you go.
Cheers. Okay, so that's the end of our little hike and cook. It's quite eventful little trip out. Yeah, we're going to head off now. If you're interested in our next little trip, we're off to...
So we just did a last minute kind of booking really, and we're off to just outside the Arctic Circle of Finland.
Yeah, so that should be quite interesting. Plenty
Bit of skiing and some winter activities. So
yeah, probably husky rise, snowmobile, that sort of thing. So if that's of interest, then feel free to subscribe if you're inclined to. It'd be much appreciated. But just leaves us to say that's the end of 2025.
And Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you have a great 2026, and look forward to a few more videos for you.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Bye.